So we just got to Caillou International Gomeru Leather Goods Co. Really excited to explore this factory and see what it has in store for us. So now we'll give you a little walkthrough. This is our sales manager here.
Yeah, Debbie.
Debbie. Really excited to be here and explore the facility. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Lisa.
Yeah. Pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
Stefan. Have you been to that show before, the cosmetic packaging show?
Yes. Yeah, local brand. Yeah, but for the leather, sometimes
Socks, but we are doing more and more bags. And like even this this type of like delivery bag, you know,
yes, I see.
like there's now a lot of companies in America, they do like on-demand delivery, you know, like very quick.
Yeah.
So it's always a matter of trying to meet demands there.
Yeah, that's the trend.
Yeah. They sew the labels. So this is how they sew the labels on. You can see. Sew the label on. Cutting dies, when you figure out what shape you want your bag of, they use these dies to cut the fabric at scale to get into production. So they lay the fabric out here and then they cut it down to the right shape in order to fit your bag. You got WeChat and everything? This is my card as well. I give you guys.
Why was the middle school?
Yeah, impressive. Thank you. Pleasure. Thank you.
好，谢谢。你混过来坐。